So, Samsung seems ready to shake things up next year by introducing a fresh naming strategy for its flagship lineup. According to recent reports, the company will be rolling out the Galaxy S26 series, and this time the branding looks slightly different. Instead of the usual Base, Plus, and Ultra formula, Samsung is said to be preparing 3 distinct models: the Galaxy S26 Pro, the Galaxy S26 Edge, and the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Naturally, the spotlight is on the Galaxy S26 Pro, since it marks the first time Samsung has introduced a Pro variant within its Galaxy S family. The Galaxy S26 Pro is rumored to feature a 6.27-inch display, which represents a modest bump from the 6.2-inch panel found on the Galaxy S25. That seemingly small increase could indicate thinner bezels, leading to a more immersive screen experience without making the device noticeably larger in the hand. On top of that, Samsung is apparently increasing the battery size. The S26 Pro is tipped to house a 4300 mAh cell, giving it an extra 300 mAh compared to the S25's 4000 mAh battery. The information originates from well-known Chinese tipster Digital Chat Station, who has a fairly reliable track record when it comes to early smartphone leaks, which makes this detail worth paying attention to. Beyond display and battery improvements, another detail that's gaining traction is the presence of an additional NFC antenna on the top side of the phone. This design tweak would make contactless payments and wireless transfers more seamless, putting the Galaxy S26 series in line with the smooth user experience that iPhones have long been praised for when using Apple Pay or AirDrop. In terms of cameras, the Galaxy S26 Pro is widely expected to continue Samsung's winning formula of a triple camera system at the back. Performance-wise, Samsung is reportedly weighing 2 processor options depending on the region: either the 2nm Exynos 2600 or the 3nm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 for Galaxy. Pair that with a likely 12GB of RAM and storage options of 256GB or 512GB, and the S26 Pro is shaping up to be a solid powerhouse. So what do you guys think about the upcoming Galaxy S26 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.